Good afternoon. Justin here again from the Avant-Garde Collection. We got a nice spring day in the Pacific Northwest on the first day of April, so I thought I would take our little red 912 out for a fun drive and give you my last thoughts on this one. A lot of fun, drives great, sounds good, it's got great exhaust to it. Just a fun, great spring driver. I also wanted to get you some video, natural light video, so you could see this outside of the studio and show you how it shines. Love the chromies on this one too. The sugar scoops are great. It's just a car that's always smiling at you. So there you go, guys. Good luck. It ends tomorrow. Someone's going to get a fun little car. I did do some homework on the radio too. So if you guys want to, your winner wants to make a suggestion to me, I'm happy to help there too. All right, guys. Happy bidding.